To adhere nail crystals, you need a high viscosity soft gel. In other words, a thick consistency soak-off gel product. Gelish has Structure Gel, Artistic Colour Gloss has Correction Gel, Accents has Bling On, eNail Couture has Gummy Jelly. Many other brands have their own version, and I'll be showing you 2 ways to use this kind of product to adhere your bling and crystals. So after your final colour or art coat, you want to wipe away the inhibition layer. Option 1. Pick up a generous bead of your product, place and maneuver the gel into the shape you're wanting to cover in crystals. From this side view you can see just how high this bead is off the nail plate. Picking the crystals up, you're going to place and press into the gel so that the gel squishes up and around the bottom edge of your stone. This is what holds the stone in place compared to just the base plate being set in the gel, which doesn't protect your bling from side knocks. Still not cured at this stage, we're coming in with our top coat and top coating the nail as per normal, and when approaching the stone, simply butting the edges of each product up to one another. The blobs of gel around the outside edge of the crystals then gradually fade down into the top coat, creating a flawless finish. Before curing, depending on your design, you may also need to come in with a striping brush and top coat around the back edges of your design or shape. Cure for the normal top coat time and simply wipe away your inhibition layer once complete. This first option is great for when you know exactly what design you're aiming for and for larger clusters of bling. Option 2, wiping away the inhibition layer from your last colour or art coat. This option I find is better for when you're working with more intricate patterns and you don't want your crystal to slide around while you're moving on to the next part, as you can flash cure these without curing large blobs of gel that you haven't faded outwards yet. Once all crystals are in place, you then go in with a larger amount of gel and really secure the outside edges of the crystals to ensure they're protected from knocks. While still wet, you then continue with the top coat technique mentioned previously. Now when it comes to using a matte top coat, like on this design, you may want to come in just one more time and matte top coat over the cured outside edge of the crystals to avoid any shiny areas catching your eye. And that's it. With the entire foot and bottom edge of the crystals secured, they're well protected from bumps and knocks, and being a soak-off product, come soak-off time, you can then reuse pricier pieces like your Swarovskis.